is Carol. In this project, I will demonstrate how to clean data using Excel, and then I will answer a couple of questions for the stakeholders using Python. Finally, I will create a dashboard to visualize the data using Power BI. So let's get started. I'm going to answer 3 questions from stakeholders using Python. And then the second part of this job is to create a dashboard using Power BI to identify the patterns or trends I can show to my stakeholder. First, I'm going to open Excel file. And then I highlight the entire data set. And then I click on Ctrl+A to highlight the entire data set. Now I'm going to data and click on filter, and then I'm going to find out column 8. I deselect all and click on blank and click on OK, and then I found out no empty cell. I'm gonna do the same thing for all the columns. And then the next thing is I found out column I has 2 empty cells. I do the same thing, click on blank and see those 2. I'm going to fill out average, empty cell with the average. I go to empty cell and find the average. It's 5.8. I'm going to fill the empty cell with number 6. I run it off, and then I empty the cell, and then I click on filter, unfilter it, and then again highlight the entire data set. And then I go to home, go to find, select, go to special, and click on blank, OK, and then I delete sheet rows. Now I have cleaned my data set. I'm going to do Python analysis. These are the 3 questions I need to answer for my stakeholders. First, find the occurrence of each make, which means I have to do count of each make. And the second question is filter the data based on the origins of the car. The third question, filter the data based on the weights. So now I have those 3 questions I need to answer. Let me open Spider. Now I'm going to quickly type in my Python code. First, I'm going to define a function called menu. I'm going to put a variable choice and make this global. There will be choice equal 1, 2, and 3. Please select your options. Next line. What are the different types of makes are there in the data? Next line. Second question. What are the origin with different make? What are the different weights with each make? Next line. Please press 4 to exit. Next line. Please enter. I'm going to call out my menu function, and I will import pandas as PD. I'm going to read my Excel file. Card equal PD read CSV. Type in the raw string, and I'm going to go to my card data and go to property, security, and copy object name. Copy. Go back to my spider and paste. I'm going to use a while loop so I can make different selection. While true, if choice equal 1, count equal car bracket. Our first selection is the make. We're going to do the count of each make. That value counts parentheses, and I print this count input press enter key to continue. Call out the menu function again so you can go back to the while loop. I'm going to do the same thing for choice 2, choice 3, and choice 4. If choice equal 2, X is my variable input. Please enter the origins you are looking for, Asia, Europe, or USA. And I'm going to make this origins equal car. Going to find the origin that is in function. It's in function, and in this function I'm going to look for whatever origin I type in right here and print origin. So I can print this data frame. I'm going to copy and paste the same thing from choice 1. Copy, paste. If choice equal 3, weight, W is my weight. W equal integer input. Please enter the weights at above which you are looking for. Minimum is this value is from the Excel. Minimum is 1,850. Maximum is 7,190. Please enter. Now I'm going to type in weight. It's my variable equal car bracket. Car. I'm looking for the column with the weights. The column with the weights above whatever we're looking for in W. Close it with a bracket so we have the data frame. I'm going to print this data frame. Again, input and menu, I copy and paste. If choice equal 4, exit. I have finished typing my Python code. Now I have written my Python code. I'm going to run the code. Let me click on Run. Please select your option. I'm going to choose one. So let's go to Variable Explorer, Import Data, Choice. Click on Choice. Click on Choice is our option 1. And click on Count. It's a series. Can you see the count of each make? Toyota has 28, Ford has 23, BMW has 20, Audi has 19. Let's go press Enter key to continue. Let me choose 2. Please enter the origins you are looking for. Let me type in USA. Let me again import data. And you can see import data. Let's see the origins. That's the data frame. Now you can see all the cards with the origin USA. Press Enter key to continue. Let's go click on 3. Please enter the weights at above which you are looking for. The minimum is 1,850. The maximum weight is 7,190. Let me assume 3,000. Above 3,000 we are going to filter. We are going to look for cards with weights above 3,000. Click on Next. Again, import data. Let me click on weight. So all the cards with weights above 3,000. Good. So, and then we continue. We can continue with all the different options. And then finally we enter 4, and then we will close this program. Now I have finished the Python code. I can show it to my stakeholders, and then they can make the selections based on their preference. I open my Power BI, I load the data from Excel, I click on invoice, and then I'm going to click on car, you can see the total invoice, and then I click on make, and then I go to drag the model underneath the make, and I'm going to look for the slicer right here, the slicer, so I can make the choice, Acura or any different kind of choice, the model. Next, I'm going to create a new measure because I need to count, make a pie chart for the to count each make, for the total count of each make. Count of make equal count. Click on count, and I go to make, and then click on OK. Now I'm going to click on pie chart and click on count of each make, and I click on make, and then I'm going to clear all selection. So you can see that the pie chart And then Toyota has the most counts, it's 28. And you can see the percentage of each make, the count of each make. I'm going to make a bar chart and click on make. I click on make, and the value is the invoice, the axis is make. You can see the bar chart, the Mercedes Benz has the most invoice. Now I want to focus on BMW, and then I can create a hierarchy for model underneath the make, and then I can turn on this drill down, and I can go to the next hierarchy. You can see the BMW has different models, and I can see which one did the best. Then we can see different kind of model, and this model did the best in terms of the invoice. Now this is for the Power BI.
Thank you for watching my video. I will see you in my next project.